Hello traders, let me share with you guys how we manage amazing profit on Kiwi dollar on November 24, 2023. Let me share with you on 4-hour chart. Pretty straightforward. We always look for the 4-hour, develop our bias and trend, and we look at the intraday entries. So pretty straightforward. So we were looking if the market is going to break the previous high and look for long opportunity. Target around this level, previous high, and around this major support resistance level. So let me share with you guys how I analyze the entries and help my traders bank amazing profit. So pretty straightforward. We always look, even we've been short, you can see a bank amazing profit. And afterwards, as soon as the market impulsively reverse, as mentioned in my previous analysis, so we have this beautiful breakout and nicely hit to the first target, bank amazing profit. After banking some profit, as explained to my trader, let's wait for the market reaction, correction, and then another impulsive move, which pretty straightforward. As you can see here, the market reverse, we look at the structure, and as you can see here, the market broken the previous high. As explained in the analysis, the high probability we are looking for long based on the momentum on and the trend and the bias in the 4 hours. So you can see here, market nicely broken. After the breakout, we announce another pullback, market nicely hit to the profit target, as you can see here. And that's what explained my trader it's time to enjoy amazing profit or move your stop loss at the break even. So guys, if you don't want to miss those analysis and full explanation with the live audio commentary support in real time, most welcome. Join our fast growing today community, guys. Have a nice weekend.